Well, I own technically two businesses, and I receive Jessica's newsletter, and I refer her business pretty frequently. I know, she had been sending messages about the BOI report, and I was going to do it myself, and then I said, nope, I'm not gonna do it myself because I don't know what I'm doing. So let me just ask Jessica for help. And so that's how I came in, and actually she was the one who told me, you have another business, and I was like, oh, I forgot. Yeah, because technically my husband's business, I'm the owner. So it was pretty easy. I didn't have to do much. Just sent over some information, and next thing I knew, I got an email saying your BOI is complete. So it was very stress free. Well, I send business all the time, so I know that you guys are very trusted and do a good job. But I would definitely say for a business owner, especially dealing with something like the BOI that kind of got sprung up on us this year, that it's helpful to have somebody that that is trustworthy and is going to do a good job to just get it done for you without having to do research and do it yourself.